Hi there. Welcome to Animity 1D. My name is Lisa. I am a diabetes educator and also have type 1 diabetes.
My name is Susan. My daughter Mia has type 1 also.
In this video, we talk about what are ketones. Please remember that this is for informational purposes only and is not meant to replace your doctor or care team. Thank you for watching.
Are you feeling better, Mia? Have you been drinking water?
I have been drinking water, Mom, but how much longer do I have to?
Your ketones are almost gone, so not for too long, I hope. Your fever is gone too.
Lisa! Hi!
Hi, Mia. How are you feeling? Your mom said that you are feeling a lot better and that ketones are almost gone.
She told me that too. That's what I wanted to ask you about. What are ketones and why do we get them when we are sick?
Okay, how about we talk about it a little and then you can rest?
Sounds good. Thank you.
Let us first understand what happens to our body when we are sick. Our body senses any illness, like a fever or a cold, as stress. When we are under stress, we need more energy to fight the infection. This energy mainly comes from glucose. To have glucose readily available, our body makes 4 different kinds of stress hormones. Remember? Insulin is like a key that takes glucose into the cells. These stress hormones are also keys like insulin, but unlike insulin, they only open some doors, mainly the liver and muscle. Also, unlike insulin, they bring glucose out of the cells.
So, they do the opposite of what insulin does? Take glucose out of the cell?
That's right. That is how the body gets the extra energy it needs to fight infections. This is a natural response in our body, so it happens to everyone, whether you have type 1 diabetes or not. Let's see what happens next. Usually, insulin and the stress hormones work together, with the stress hormone bringing glucose out of the liver and muscle, and insulin sending it into the cells that are fighting infections. In type 1 diabetes, we don't make enough insulin, which becomes more obvious during stress. The stress hormones continue bringing glucose out into the blood, but without enough insulin, this glucose is not able to get into the cells, and its level in the blood starts rising.
Is that why I need to take more insulin when I am sick? My mom said she felt the insulin was not working at all yesterday.
That's right, Mia. Because the stress hormones keep sending glucose out into the blood during stress, our body needs more insulin than what we usually do to take care of that.
What about ketones? Where do they come from?
To understand that, we need to go inside the cells and see what is happening there. The cells that are fighting the infection don't know what is happening outside the door. They are still starving, waiting on the glucose for energy. Our body senses that and finds other sources of energy, mainly our fat. When it breaks down fat, it makes ketones. These ketones provide the cells with energy, but they also cause symptoms like nausea, vomiting, and tummy pain. So, as the ketones build in our blood, these symptoms also worsen. The body tries to get rid of the ketones when we pee.
Is that why Mom asked me to keep drinking water? So I can get rid of the ketones?
That's right. Taking insulin stops the body from making more ketones, and drinking water flushes the ketones out of your body.
I get it a little now.
I think that is enough for now. You take a nap.
Lisa, thank you for explaining that. I learned a lot too. Let me make sure I understood that correctly. When we get sick, our body needs more glucose to fight the infection. The stress hormones release glucose from different sources. More insulin is needed to send that glucose into the cells. If the insulin is not enough, then our body breaks down fat to form ketones, which are used for energy.
You got it. And you need to take the extra insulin and drink a lot of water to flush out the ketones.
Got it. Lisa, thanks for explaining ketones to us. We hope this helps you understand what are ketones.
Please remember that this is for informational purposes only and is not meant to replace your doctor or care team.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on new content. Thank you for watching.